Welcome to Cooking with Curls.
Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, we're gonna make a tres leche. It's a super fast, super fun, super easy dessert. So keep watching to learn more.
Bruh, what?
We just made the tres leches, so this is the tasting test. As you can see, it looks very moist, but you're right here with us because we haven't tried it yet. So let's go.
This is really good.
This is like slamming. Mom,
I know.
come try it.
You have to.
You have to try it.
All this work.
Yo, this is really good.
Like really, really. Yeah.
Holy cow.
I just
Well, guys, thank you for watching.
It was actually so
Like really
delicious.
really good.
Like,
Yeah, I'm actually surprised. Not gonna lie.
thank you so much for watching this video. For more recipes, make sure to subscribe. Cooking with Curls. You know.
Oh.
Wow.
And thanks.
Bye.